Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos on tips and tricks for using the library's digital resources. And today I wanted to talk to you about a topic that's obviously on a lot of people's minds, and that's finding good and accurate information about COVID. Now, obviously we know that there's a lot of misinformation out there about COVID, and, some people are confused about what it is or how it spreads, but it can also be pretty difficult to find just good, scientifically accurate information. And thankfully, the Worcester Public Library offers access to a couple databases that can really help you out, both of which are offered through Gale. So if you're interested in checking these out, you can start by going to our website at mywpl.org, and then going under the Resources tab right here, and then clicking on Online Databases. And now what we can do, we're going to scroll down to the G's right here, and the first one that I want to talk about is Gale OneFile, Health and Medicine. Now Gale OneFile is really great for finding various kinds of articles, be them news articles, academic articles, magazine articles, things like that. So what we can do is we can click on Home right here, and that'll take us to the page where we can do a search. Now let's say, for instance, that you're confused about whether or not COVID-19 is airborne, spread through the air. You could do a search for COVID airborne, and let's see what kind of things we have. So if we scroll down, we can see a peer-reviewed article right here, Aerosol transmission of SARS-CoV-2. Let's click on that. And let's see, we can see COVID-19 is emitted in aerosol form during normal breathing by both asymptomatic and symptomatic people, remaining viable with a half-life of up to about an hour, during which air movement can carry considerable distances. Now, obviously, that's really scary stuff, but that's one of the reasons why it's good to really be informed and make sure that you're getting good, peer-reviewed information. The other thing, if you're interested in more than just academic articles, we also have a database called Gale Health and Wellness. And so again, we can click on Home right here. And what that does is that rather than just being a search for academic articles and things like that, it also has sort of topic pages as well. So, topic of interest, coronavirus, obviously a topic of interest. What you can do is just click on Explore this topic, and then you can see information that Gale gives you, as well as links to things like videos, again, academic journals, news, magazines, reference guides, audio, images, things like that. So again, if you are looking for accurate information to sort of rely on science to keep you and others safe, these two Gale databases, Gale OneFile Health and Wellness, and then Gale Health and Wellness, are really great resources. So hopefully you'll check them out. Again, this was Alex with the Worcester Public Library. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned next week for another video from me. Thank you for watching.